packing. Damn.
So we got a bigger throttle body, aftermarket
I like
intake.
that. I like that.
Oh yeah.
That's freaking sweet. You should probably even just like cut the hood, like the hood.
Well, you could. The whole idea of this though is the Hemis are notorious for having issues with sucking in hot air in the engine bay.
Yeah.
They don't like sucking in hot air. So the whole idea of this seals to the hood.
Yeah.
You still use the factory airbox bottom sucking air from the fender.
Yeah, yeah.
More power. You can't see it down in there, but there are BBK headers on it. It's, you know, the heavier valve springs, the headwork's all done, all that, and then AGP and Newmarket dyno tuned it.
Yeah. AGP Newmarket.
Yeah.
Damn. Go! Oh! Got a comp cam on it.
Oh yeah.
How many horsepower did that bump you up?
Well, it's 414 at the wheels.
414 to the wheels.
Yeah, to the wheels.
So it's over 5 on the crank.
Yeah, it'd be over 5 on the crank for sure. Yeah, yeah.
Still got tread, dude.
Holy fuck, is the bolt though? Oh yeah. So we got the comp in it. BBK bigger throttle body.
Yeah.
And then I got BBK headers in it.
Pretty loud. He's heading home.